Hi guys, to receive this ergonomic office chair for viewing purposes, I have already laid out here in my table so I can start assembling it. This is obviously the instructions. Okay. It comes with all the parts and all you need to assemble it right here. And well, as you can see, everything comes well packed and secured with this bubble wrap. So, well, first of all, let's start assembling it. Okay, so the chair is finished, and as you can see, it has a very nice white color that contrasts with the black of the seat and the cushions. You can adjust it in many ways, either the headrest, the lumbar support, or the armrest. You can also adjust them, and it has a basic feature, so you can lock the tilt, this, or you can change the height of the chair. I like it this height so it doesn't interfere with the table, and I can still rest my arms when I need to, and I can tilt the headrest also, so if you need to relax a bit, you can do it, or if you need to be more erect, you can also do it. Okay, it's a very nice chair. It works really nice, runs smooth, which is nice, and I like that it has the options to adjust it in many ways: the highness, the tilt, the armrest, the tilt of the head, even the highness of the headrest. You can adjust it, and the lumbar support you can adjust also how high you wanna set it. Okay, so it's a nice chair. See ya.